Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if you hear a little bit of background noise. Neighbor across the street's getting their lawn done. So, hey, something completely different for you. I picked this up. I saw it. Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards. No idea. It's from Upper Deck. It's Blizzard. Maybe Diablo. Maybe some of the other games that that Blizzard makes. But I don't know what we're gonna find out here. So it should be interesting. I'll get over there and read what's on the box right after this. All right. So again, sorry if we are hearing some noise, but so again, no idea. This is Legacy Blizzard trading cards. Discover art of Samwise cards. You got 8 packs. I'm sorry, 8 cards per pack. There's some more of the art stuff. You got the Blizzard, Nova Terra, Score, Blizzard Legacy Collection, base set, Molten Core, called Parallels. And I don't know what else, but hey, what the heck. Here at Huddle Card, we try a little bit of everything. So let's see what these suckers look like. Interesting pack. All right, so here we go. Blizzard. Kelmsy Necrofizzle. No idea. ETC. Gremlin. Oh, we got red. A brand Beard. Oh, nice. Bale. Oh, that's from Diablo right there. Yep, Bale's from Diablo. So on the back, it actually tells you what they're from. Hearts of Stone, Heroes of Storm, Heroes of Storm, Diablo. This guy right here was from World of Warcraft. And we got art from Warcraft. Terra Gulf, that's a pretty cool looking card right there. From Warcraft. Cho'Gao from Warcraft. Interesting stuff. I'm not gonna lie, pretty decent looking. And again, if you're interested in any of these, they will be on the eBay store. Luna, let me hold on a second here. Lunara, that's from Hearts of Stone. Oh, look at that one. Gul'dan, Hearts of Stone. Malfurion Stormage. Oh, wow. The Roderick Cube. That is, oh, that's like a little cutout type thing. That's pretty cool. That's from Diablo for sure. Ooh, nice. Queen of Blades from StarCraft. Duriel from Diablo. Sagaressus, whatever, I don't know. Bellagio, that's a Diablo card right there. I remember that name from Diablo. The other one, the one before that was Warcraft. So this is definitely a first look on these guys. Monoroth from Warcraft. Oh, very cool. Something Hellscream. That's from Heart of Stone. Rock and Roll Racing from Rock and Roll Racing. Cassia from Heroes of the Storm. Retro Arcade Collection. Just from Blizzard Entertainment Retro. Oh, look at that. Home from Diablo. Lady Vasnu. Vashai. Oh, never mind. Warcraft. Lothar. Warcraft. Interesting cards. Interesting cards. Mercy from Overwatch. Lady, that lady again. Man, come on, man. We can't get doubles. That one's a little different. That one is a little different. Oh, look at that. Blackthorn. Antics. Antis. Oh, Zerling. That's got to be from Diablo. Yep. Inarius. Uther Lightbringer. And Leah. Or Lee, I should say, from Diablo. One simple name. Oh. Handar. Hearts of Stone. Illidan. Man, that's cool looking. We got Hira. Wakahira. Akama. Uh, Sombra from Overwatch. Wildhammer from Warcraft. Oh, that's a cool card right there. Probe from StarCraft. And Blackhand from Warcraft. Finley. Oh, cool. Yule or Zul from Heroes. Nice. Morgal or Morgil. This has got to be from Warcraft. I guess that's what the little symbol is right there. Senjin. Finley from StarCraft. Valerian, StarCraft. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Tyrant from Warcraft. Oh, Chen Stormstout from Warcraft. I like that we got the Roderick Cube from Diablo. Malgaros from Warcraft. Reinhardt from Overwatch. We got a Bofford from Heroes. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ren, I guess, from Hearts. Hanzo Shimada, Heroes. Oriel, that's a Diablo one. Very nice. Rexer, Warcraft, and the final card, Doomhammer. That is freaking cool. Hey, folks, what do you think of that one? I would say that was pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. I'm glad I got a box. I do have another one over there as part of the rip and ship. If anybody would want it, come over on a rip and ship day. But that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try and get those guys up on the eBay store as soon as possible. There's the store name right there at the bottom, so you can go ahead and find them. Um, some other crazy videos, I guess, of non-sport stuff here and here. And as always, catch you at the next rip.